Hello guys, my name's Joe and I'm the Beefyprepper. Today, down on the creek, got a good friend coming and we're gonna do a little exploring and see if we can find some good gold spots. So I'm just doing a little painting around while I'm waiting for Ty. Found a couple specks of gold right here. Nothing real huge, but just dinking around a little. Gorgeous day out here. Got to apologize to you guys. I haven't made a video in about 3 weeks. I had a case of Corona and had a hangover for a few weeks, you know. Wasn't so bad. Felt like hell, so didn't get out. Feeling better now though, so on to finding gold. Well, none of my testing has been real phenomenal. Ty's gonna be here soon. I brought up something for us to eat. I was thinking about starting a fire and getting it cooking. He's probably gonna be hungry. I know I'm getting hungry. All right, see you guys in a second. Oh, the biggest trick to starting a fire in the snow is using stuff that's sticking out of the snow. It's getting dry. Luckily I got a branch over here sticking out. All right, I'm gonna throw some more wood on this. Get a bed of coals. Cook up our food. He should be arriving anytime. So, Ty made it. He's down here, right there. Looks like he's doing a little filming. I went ahead and tossed a rock in the fire, letting it dry out. I'm gonna throw my food on it here in a minute. Been doing some pans, found a couple specks of gold, nothing big enough to show you guys. Like I said, we're gonna probably eat these and then go hiking and exploring. You know, places like This here should be a nice dropout zone. Not really finding nothing though. We're gonna go that way, a mile, 2 miles. Okay, so that's the kind of gold I'm finding today. Not too impressive. I'm gonna suck that up, keep panning. Well, we're not finding huge gold here. Probably just found another piece. That's about what I found too. He's got a couple specks there.
God, that phone is fucking huge.
Over there, there's some steak about to be eaten. I'm about to go to that. Just took a pan of material from right there. I'm gonna go ahead and pan it down and see what we got. All right, so there's one there, one there, there's one there, there's one there. There's a couple more down in this black sand that I saw. And yeah, so pretty decent pan. That right there would be deteriorating bedrock. I've taken a scoop from there before and found nothing, but kind of looks promising right through there. All right, so here is a test pan I did. There's a couple little specks there. And a couple there, 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 there. It's really cloudy out today. It's hard to spot these guys. All right, guys, despite finding some really good gold in this last hole and Ty finding some really good gold, we're both getting cold. We're getting tired. It's starting to get dark out. Winter in Iowa sucks. So we're packing up to head home, but I'll show you the gold right here. Thanks, guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know, do your stuff. We'll see you next time. We're trudging through, I don't know, 8 inches, foot of snow. The things we do for gold.